Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about Bitcoin dollar, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ. So let's begin with the British pound versus US dollar. What we had here. Yesterday was the breakout. We had a breakout of the consolidation after the trap in the background, after the bull trap in the background. And this is quite a strong and powerful pattern and setup. So I learned about potential downside development yesterday, and still this looks pretty well poised for the downside movement, and at least for the market to trade towards 1.2800, and then there will be even chance for the market to trade all the way down to 1.2700. So plenty of potential for the market to develop to the downside. So pay attention to the pound dollar. We can see that, potential protective stop around 1.295940. I spoke about that yesterday, so nothing really changed here. So downside continuation to play on the pound dollar. On the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see here that the hourly is still trading, so this is a 50-bar moving average. We have this rising trend line, and we can see that it's basically in channeling mode at this point. And anything meaningful to the downside, I would like to see the further down break of 63,500, 400 mark, and then potential for the market to trade lower towards the 57 or 54,000 mark. So far, market is just building and trading in the channeling mode on 4-hour time frame. Now you can see on the 4-hour time frame on the dollar index, if you're a fan of the classical chart patterns, you can see that we have inverted head and shoulders here. You can clearly see the left shoulder here, right shoulder at this point, and now the market is breaking this neckline. So that's quite a good potential for the further upside movement, and 105.17 can be in the play. So dollar index, we can see the strength short term on dollar index. On the gold market, we had strong supply in the background, so it took the rising trend line. So this is a normal, natural reaction from my perspective, and we might see the downside development. But for that, I would like to see the market to re-break 2,385 or so, and then it will be a good confirmation for the further drop towards 2,350 mark. On the crude oil, sellers are in control. There was a breakout of the key support cluster. So we have breakout of the 80.67, downside breakout, and so far market's just building lower highs and lower lows. The next pivot level is 77.30, then 76.15 mark, and so on and so forth. So downside potential continuation on the crude oil. And on the NASDAQ, we can see here that market is trading lower. And if the market can clear 19,500, then the next downside objective will be around 19,000 mark. So that'll be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.